Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best peppermint essential oils that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Majestic Pure Essential Oil. Experience cooling and refreshing effect with this organic peppermint essential oil from Majestic Pure. It contains no additives or other chemical substance, just the pure oil for your well-being. The manufacturer does not dilute this peppermint oil either. All this guarantees the premium quality of the product. The peppermint oil is great for aromatherapy, as it brings refreshing menthol sensation to pep up your mood and to give you an additional brain boost. If you have a diffuser at home or office, you could add this essence in it. You can be sure that you will feel energized and refreshed, or you can apply it topically and inhale the wonderful aroma throughout the whole day. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Now Peppermint Essential Oil. If you are looking for an essential oil which has invigorating, revitalizing, and cooling properties, then the Now Peppermint Oil will be your choice. With its fresh and strong aroma, the oil is an excellent morning pick-me-up. This peppermint oil perfectly blends with such carrier oils as olive, jojoba, grapeseed, rosemary, or almond, so you have an opportunity to experiment and find the best combination for your taste. If you are new to aromatherapy, you can get any essential oils book and find a proper oils ratio there. The product is purity tested and quality assured, so you can be confident that you will get an all-natural organic oil. At number 3, we have the Healing Solutions Peppermint Essential Oil. Healing Solutions use the best ingredients for the production of their oils. Thanks to that, even the most demanding customers will be satisfied with the highest quality this company provides. This peppermint oil will impress you with its rich menthol smell with a sweet undertone. It will cheer you up and help you focus on your job when you are too tired, for example. By buying this oil, you will get a safe and therapeutically effective essence for different purposes in your household. In particular, the oil can be added to a diffuser, blended with other oils, to create a wonderful scent in your house. Of course, you can dispense a few drops in your bath water as well. This peppermint oil will work wonders for your skin. At number 2, we have the Sun Essential Oils. You will certainly enjoy a super fresh yet soft smell of this peppermint oil. It is made of the premium quality ingredients, so that you can experience the best results ever. If you live in a rural area, you could use this oil to deter mice, rats, and even spiders. But this is just an extra advantage. First and foremost, the peppermint oil is a great essence to improve your overall well-being. You can inhale its fresh smell by adding a few drops to your essential oil diffuser. If you often suffer from migraines, we recommend you to apply this oil topically. It can help you stop a headache in less than 30 minutes. And finally, at number 1, we have the Plant Therapy Organic Peppermint Essential Oil. If so, you should definitely consider buying the peppermint oil from Plant Therapy. It is 100% pure natural oil that is absolutely undiluted. By blending this product with other oils, you will be able to experience a wide range of benefits. For example, in combination with coconut and jojoba oils, it is great for a relaxing massage. When you have muscle tension or pain in your back or neck, you can dilute the peppermint oil in any carrier oil and apply it topically to relieve that pain. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.